Flooring your dreams. 15 ideas for a bedroom that feels like a retreat. Your bedroom floor is the first thing your feet touch every morning. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, a space designed to promote relaxation, rejuvenation, and comfort. While the bedding plays a crucial role in creating a calming environment, it's the bedroom flooring that sets the tone for your retreat. Today, we are diving into the 15 best bedroom flooring ideas that help you transform your space into the ultimate sanctuary. Hello and welcome to yet another fascinating episode of Gharpedia, which is about amazing bedroom flooring ideas. Without any further ado, let's get started. Earthy and natural flooring. If you want to stay connected to nature, consider earthy flooring options. Stone and rammed earth floors are perfect for warm climates, providing a natural cooling effect. You could also explore limecrete, a breathable, durable material that adds a touch of rustic charm. Paired with lime mortar, it offers an organic yet polished look, ideal for those who love a grounded, earthy atmosphere. Soft carpet floors. For those who crave a cozy, snug vibe, nothing beats the softness of a carpet. Carpeted floors offer tactile comfort and warmth, especially on chilly mornings. They also help absorb sound, creating a quieter space. However, carpets can require a bit more upkeep due to dust and dirt accumulation. If you want to avoid wall-to-wall carpeting, try adding a large area rug instead. Durable hardwood flooring. When it comes to timeless beauty and durability, hardwood flooring is a top choice. It adds natural warmth and elegance to your bedroom. And while it's an investment, it can increase your property's value. Choose darker tones for a classic Victorian feel or lighter shades for a more modern, airy vibe. Hardwood is biodegradable and offers a touch of nature in your room that's both stylish and sustainable. Contemporary wood flooring. If you're looking for a modern twist on traditional wood, try contemporary wooden tiles. These sleek, versatile tiles fit seamlessly into modern interiors with various finishes to suit your aesthetic. They are hypoallergenic, easy to maintain, and perfect for creating a chic, minimalist bedroom look. Pattern tiles for visual interest. Why settle for boring tiles when you can play with patterns? Pattern tiles like chevron, checkered, or striped designs can be a fantastic way to inject personality and charm into your bedroom flooring. These patterns can alter the perceived scale of the room and add a striking visual element underfoot, allowing you to make your floors a centerpiece of the design. Eco-friendly bamboo flooring. If sustainability is important to you, bamboo flooring offers a great eco-friendly option. Bamboo is a rapidly renewable resource that's strong, durable, and aesthetically pleasing. Its natural appeal and ease of maintenance make it a popular choice for modern bedrooms, offering an elegant yet environmentally conscious solution. Luxury vinyl flooring. Luxury vinyl flooring, or LVF, is a modern, durable alternative to traditional vinyl. It mimics the look of wood, stone, or ceramic, offering versatility and style. LVF is waterproof, easy to install, and requires minimal maintenance, making it perfect for bedrooms, especially for those who want both durability and luxury at an affordable price. Custom carpet tiles. For a blend of beauty and practicality, consider customized carpet tiles. They offer the warmth and comfort of traditional carpeting, but with the utility of tile installation. Whether you choose vibrant colors or subtle patterns, carpet tiles can be arranged to suit any bedroom aesthetic while still providing comfort and soundproofing. Ceramic tiles with underfloor heating. While ceramic tiles might seem like an unconventional choice for bedrooms, they are highly customizable and perfect for underfloor heating. Tiles can mimic the look of pricier materials like hardwood and cork, and with the added benefit of heating mats, you will have a warm, luxurious floor beneath your feet no matter the season. Layered rugs for added warmth and style. Rugs are the perfect accessory for bedroom flooring, adding warmth, texture, and style. Layering rugs over hardwood or laminate flooring is an easy way to experiment with design and create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Play with different shapes, size, and materials to achieve the right balance of comfort and aesthetics. Rubber flooring for softness and durability. Rubber flooring offers softness and durability, making it a great choice for bedrooms. It's warm underfoot, easy to clean, and allergy-friendly, which makes it an excellent option for anyone seeking a comfortable, practical, and low-maintenance floor. Consider adding colorful rubber flooring in playful designs, especially for kids' bedrooms. Eco-friendly cork flooring. Cork is a sustainable and comfortable flooring option, offering a cozy surface that's soft yet firm. It also provides natural insulation and soundproofing, helping to keep your bedroom warm and quiet. Cork's earthy texture and rustic charm add character to any space while keeping the environment in mind. Designer laminate flooring. For those on a budget, laminate flooring offers a stylish and practical solution. Laminate is easy to install and maintain, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. It's also available in a wide range of finishes that mimic wood, tile, or stone, giving you the look you love without the high price tag. Warm engineered wood floors. If you love the look of hardwood but need a more affordable option, engineered wood is the way to go. With a real wood veneer over a plywood base, engineered wood provides the same aesthetic appeal as solid wood, but at a fraction of the cost. It's durable, stylish, and perfect for creating a warm, inviting bedroom. Elegant marble flooring. For ultimate luxury, nothing compares to the elegance of marble flooring. Marble is timeless, stunning, and durable, with a wide range of colors and finishes to choose from. While it requires a bit more maintenance, its classic beauty makes it worth the investment. Marble flooring is perfect for creating a sophisticated bedroom retreat. Concrete flooring for a modern look. For a minimalist, modern aesthetic, consider finished concrete flooring. It's durable, easy to maintain, and offers endless customization options. You can polish, stain, or dye concrete to suit your style. Pair it with underfloor heating for added comfort, and you have got a sleek, functional floor that suits any contemporary bedroom. To end with, choosing the right bedroom flooring is more than just a design decision. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality and offers maximum comfort. Whether you opt for the warmth of hardwood, the luxury of marble, or the eco-friendliness of bamboo, the flooring you choose will set the tone for your entire bedroom. So which of these flooring ideas would you choose for your bedroom retreat? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration.